Oh yeah. Bright lights, a lot of pipes. Those are the two important things. All right, so this is how they show you in the instructions to... All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. F&R here. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to install these awesome lights by Harley Davidson. I just installed these, but I'm gonna walk you through the unboxing, the instructions, step by step, very quick install, and then I'll give you my overall impressions here at the end. If you're new to the channel, I'm F&R, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. Let's jump right into the unboxing. So let's do a quick unboxing here. Signature LED saddlebag mounted run, brake, and turn lamps. I've got the red ones to match the rest of my bike. This is what they look like. These are new by Harley Davidson. Nice. Put that right here. You can see the 3M glue in the back. Got our instructions. Pretty straightforward. That's it. The cable harness. Zip ties, some 3M cable guides right there, and it should be a relatively simple install. Let me show you that right now. First, I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like without the lights, which is what you see there right now. Let me turn these lights on so you can see. And these are custom dynamics, which again, awesome lights, super bright, but I still think you need a lot more visibility there in the rear. And I think these lights by Harley Davidson are going to do the trick. All right, so let me show you here. So these are the lights as they come. And essentially, I've already plugged them into the supplied harness. So this is the supplied harness. This plug right here is going to go connected to the light plug that's underneath the seat that I'm going to show you there in a second. And then this connects to the right light. This connects to the left light. And the reason why I've already plugged them in is because I want to test the lights before I do the installation. Make sure that everything works as designed based on the instructions. And again, relatively simple install. I'm going to test the lights right now. I'm going to show you where you plug them in there underneath the seat. Test them out. And then we'll run each of the lights. One of the things you got to do is you got to make sure you clean this area here with 50% alcohol, 50% water solution. So I'm going to clean that out, clean this one out too, clean this area here because it's going to have cable holders that go underneath there to guide the cable to make sure everything is nice and neat. And that's it, super simple install. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like afterward. So basically you take the seat off. I've got the lights right here to plug them in. This is the plug that connects to the lights. Depending on your setup, you may have another setup here. I've got custom dynamics lights, so this is where the plug is. So I'm gonna unplug it here real quick. Yeah, make sure we test them out. Let's see. There you go. Right, let's test the signals out here real quick. Beautiful. Left turn signal here. Right turn signal. That's it. The rest of it is now permanently affixing the lights here. Clean it out first. Run the wire, and that's it. All right, so this is how they show you in the instructions to install the light. So basically, make sure that the lid is closed. The light's gonna go right against here. Make sure you clean this area really well with some rubbing alcohol or just water and soap, whatever cleans up the area so that the 3M adhesive sticks to it really well. And then the wiring will run in this shape. Now this part you can get creative. You know, depending on how you want this to run. You know, you can run it this way. You can run it different ways. I'll show you that. I'll show you what I'm going to do here in a bit. But I wanted to show you what the instructions tell you in case anyone was ultimately interested. Take this bad boy off. All right, there he goes. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen the saddlebag, and then I'm going to run the wire with the little adhesives that are provided, so it is nice and neat. And then I'll do the same. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So the next thing is basically just running the wires inside the way that you want it. I'm going to skip that because that's just about preference. The installation is essentially done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish wiring that up. I'll skip that here for now, and then when I come back, I want to show you the lights on and ultimately what it looks like, and then I'll give you my overall thoughts and impressions. That looks sharp. Let's put some signals on. Signal. Left signal. See some brake action. Oh yeah. Nice and visible. One of the top causes in the state of New Jersey in motorcycle accidents is rear end accidents from cars not seeing the rear of the bike. This will dramatically reduce that risk, not completely, but every bit helps. Bright lights, a lot of pipes. Those are the two important things. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I think it looks great. I think it matches perfectly with the rear end of the bike and with those awesome custom dynamic lights. So again, let me know down in the comments what you think. Would love to know your thoughts. If you've done this, if you've used these Harley lights in the past, if you've installed them on yours or you're considering it. All right, so I wanted to show you my setup here real quick. You barely see that wire there, barely see that wire there. You don't see any connection there. And it's connected in there with the plug. Same thing in here. And then this is how I've chosen to zip tie all of these wires nice and neat so you can put the seat, and I'll show you now with the seat installed. Check that out. I think that looks awesome. Let me know what you think down in the comments. All right, so that's gonna do it for this short video. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one in the future. Thanks for watching.